Jane Goodall, A Life for Chimpanzees. Jane Goodall is one of the most famous scientists and animal lovers in the world. She has spent her life studying chimpanzees and protecting the environment. Her story is inspiring because it shows how passion and hard work can lead to amazing discoveries. She is the former president of Advocates for Animals, an organization against the use of animals in medical research, zoos, farming, and sports. Early life. Jane Goodall was born on April 3, 1934, in London, England. As a child, she loved animals. She had a toy chimpanzee named Jubilee, which she kept with her everywhere. Jane liked reading books about animals and dreamed of going to Africa one day. Her family did not have much money, so Jane could not go to university at first. Instead, she worked as a secretary and saved money for a trip to Africa. Her dream finally came true in 1957 when she traveled to Kenya. In Kenya, Jane met Dr. Louis Leakey, a famous scientist. He was studying early humans and thought that learning about chimpanzees could help people understand human evolution. Dr. Leakey was impressed by Jane's interest in and knowledge of animals. He offered her a job to study chimpanzees in the wild. Jane started working in Gombe National Park, Tanzania, in 1960. She was only 26 years old and had no formal scientific training, but she was determined to learn. At first, the chimpanzees were afraid of Jane. They ran away whenever she came close. Jane was patient and spent hours sitting quietly in the forest. Slowly, the chimpanzees began to trust her. Jane made many important discoveries. She saw chimpanzees using sticks to catch termites. Before this, scientists thought that only humans could use tools. Jane also learned that chimpanzees have emotions, such as love, anger, and sadness. Her work changed the way people think about animals. It showed that chimpanzees are very intelligent and similar to humans in many ways. Challenges and success. Jane faced many challenges during her work. Living in the forest was not easy, and she often felt lonely. She also faced criticism from other scientists because she did not have a university degree. However, her discoveries proved that her methods were effective. In 1965, Jane earned her PhD in ethology, the study of animal behavior, from the University of Cambridge. She was one of the first people who studied animals in the wild and brought their stories to the world, protecting chimpanzees and the environment. Jane realized that chimpanzees were in danger because of deforestation and hunting. She decided to focus on conservation and education. In 1977, she started the Jane Goodall Institute, which works to protect chimpanzees and their habitats. Today, Jane travels around the world to talk about the importance of saving the environment. She inspires people to take action and care for nature. Her program, Roots and Shoots, encourages young people to work on projects that help animals, people, and the planet. Legacy. Jane Goodall has received many awards for her work, including the United Nations Messenger of Peace title. She is known as a symbol of hope and determination. Her life teaches us that one person can make a big difference. Through her work with chimpanzees and her efforts to protect the environment, Jane has shown that caring for nature is essential for our future.